What's up, you guys? So I am about to share again another top secret that social media managers don't want to tell you. So pay attention. If you don't know who I am, my name is Rocky. I am a social media manager and I have a marketing agency called Social with Rocky. I've been in business for 9+ years, which means I've been creating content for a very long time. I'm about to give you guys the sauce on how you can bulk create your content using ChatGPT and Canva. So I'm going to spin the camera around. You're going to watch me do it live. Make sure you save this video so that you can do it for yourself and start creating content really, really fast. So what you are looking at right now is a tool called ChatGPT. This is one of the most dynamic tools out there, right? It's literally an AI that helps you to write content without you even having to do anything, but give it a simple command. So right now I'm going to say, write me 10 quotes about why people need to hire a social media manager. I've already did this, but you need to see this live in the works. So let me type that in now. So once I type that in, you can see that ChatGPT is going to town and giving me the exact content that I asked for. The 10 quotes on why people should hire social media managers. There's a next step. Hold on. All right, so now that you have your 10 quotes, you need to open up Google Sheets or Excel spreadsheet or whatever it is. And what you're going to do is you're going to copy this whole thing. All right, so you're going to copy the 10 quotes that ChatGPT has given you. Let me get off of that regenerate response. All right, so I'm going to copy this and then I'm going to paste it into the first cell of my Excel spreadsheet. So I'm going to hit paste, get that going right there. And once I get that going right there, I then want to save it as a CSV file. All right, so you want to go over to File, and then you're going to go to Download, but download as a .csv. Once you've downloaded as a .csv, we're going to head on over to Canva. Alrighty, so we have now bounced over to Canva, and what you're going to do is you're going to create a quote post. Alright, so if you hear my kids in the background, please ignore them. But you're going to create a quote post. Alright, so you have to search for this, or you can create one on your own. Alright, then on the left hand side, you're going to go over to here and search the app that says Bulk Creator. I already have it pulled up, but if you can't find it, just simply click on Apps, type in the word bulk, and then it should come up right away. If you've used it before, it'll show up here. Alright, so it's going to ask you to upload your CSV. We are going to upload the exact same CSV as we did from ChatGPT. So we're going to pull that up here. And then the content will actually load here in the data field. All right. So what happens is I'm now going to click this. All right. I'm going to go back to my quote post. All right, so now that we have our quote post here, I kind of deleted it so that you can see something was written. So I got the moves. All you have to do, you guys, and this is the beauty of it, all right, is you see the quote post over here. I'm going to generate it over here. You're going to right click within that frame, and there's going to be a section that says connect data. You want to click on where it says connect data, okay? The first quote will automatically come up. You just click on that, and it will automatically load the response that you got from ChatGPT, the first line. Then when you go back here and you select continue, it'll say, hey, do you want to generate 9 more pages from all of the content that you got from ChatGPT that you uploaded as a CSV? It's not going to say all that, but y'all get what I'm saying. You're going to say generate 9 pages. Once you generate 9 pages, you guys, guess what? You have now mass created all of your content for quote posts based on what ChatGPT gave you, and you've saved a lot of time. Hopefully that helps you out. Don't say I never gave you anything. If this has helped you, give me a follow and make sure you share it with your biz besties so that they can create content really fast as well. Bye guys. See you later, and make sure you follow me on Instagram, Social with Rocky, with an I, not a Y.